Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Malibu CPR product, the Malibu Un-Do-Goo Clarifying Shampoo. If you've been struggling with product buildup, dullness, or heavy hair that's lost its shine, stay tuned, because this might just be the reset your hair has been waiting for. First, let's talk about what makes the Malibu Un-Do-Goo so special. It's a professional-grade clarifying shampoo designed to remove product buildup, resins, and impurities that regular shampoos often leave behind. Over time, styling products, conditioners, and even environmental factors like pollution can coat your hair with invisible layers, leaving it limp and lifeless. Un-Do-Goo cuts through all that residue to restore your hair's natural brightness and bounce. One of the best parts about this formula is that it's completely sulfate-free. Unlike many clarifying shampoos that can be harsh or drying, Malibu C uses a gentle, vegan formula that still manages to give your hair a deep detox. It cleans thoroughly without stripping away essential moisture, making it suitable even for chemically treated or color-treated hair. Now, let's talk performance. When you use Un-Do-Goo, you'll notice right away that it lathers richly even without sulfates. That's because it's formulated with mild surfactants and a blend of nourishing vitamins that help support hydration and shine. After rinsing, your hair feels lighter, cleaner, and more responsive to conditioning treatments. It's almost like you've just hit the reset button on your hair. For the best results, apply the shampoo to wet hair and gently massage it into your scalp, letting it work through the strands. Rinse thoroughly and, if you want to go all in on a full hair detox, follow with Malibu C's Miracle Repair treatment once a week. This combination helps rebuild and maintain hair strength while keeping your scalp fresh and balanced. The product is also travel-friendly. It comes in a convenient single-use packet, perfect for trying it out before committing to the full-size bottle. Despite its small size, it delivers the same salon-quality results that Malibu C is known for. Another standout feature is that Un-Do-Goo is color-safe and won't cause discoloration. In fact, it helps enhance vibrancy by removing buildup that can make color look dull. It's ideal if you use styling creams, dry shampoo, or hard water on a regular basis, since those can all contribute to residue over time. Let's take a moment to talk about the brand itself. Malibu C has built a reputation in professional haircare for clean, science-backed products that deliver visible results. Their formulas are 100% vegan and cruelty-free, with a focus on wellness-inspired haircare that works for all hair types. If you style your hair frequently, swim in chlorinated pools, live in an area with hard water, or simply feel your hair needs a fresh start, this is the product for you. It gives that fresh, salon-clean feeling from the comfort of your own shower. At around $2 per packet, it's an affordable way to experience a professional clarifying treatment at home. The deep cleanse leaves your hair soft, shiny, and weightless, without that squeaky dry feeling some clarifiers cause. In summary, the Malibu Un-Do-Goo Clarifying Shampoo lives up to its reputation as the best Malibu CPR product because it goes beyond cleaning. It restores, revives, and prepares your hair for whatever comes next in your routine. If your hair has been feeling heavy or lifeless lately, this might just be the fresh start it needs. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth product breakdowns. Until next time, keep your routine clean and your hair even cleaner.